So trying to answer questions about the firing pin block drop safety of a P30 or a similar design. So this button right here is the firing pin block. So we're looking at probably about a quarter-inch of upward movement for that to happen. The firing pin block itself is obviously spring-loaded, and orientation is retained by the firing pin, which is retained via that roll pin. So as far as the slide goes, it's pretty solid setup. As far as the frame goes, this particular frame has some, it's not completely stock. It does have a short reset kit from Gray Guns. So the short reset kit involves this particular lever right here. That lever is what activates the firing pin block. So, looking at the mechanisms themselves, these are all pretty damn beefy parts. Okay, so not this guy right here. This is the disconnect. This next one over, that basically controls the reset distance as well as the firing pin block. And the next one over, this like from here to over here, that distance there, that is the catch that blocks the hammer on decocking. So when it goes ka-chunk, that's what it impacts, is that unit right there. So the question about what happens with the firing pin block versus trigger movement, and when is that safe or not safe? Well, so double action, you can see it doesn't really move until that last little bit where the hammer is about to drop. Single action, so that spot right there, I am on the sear. And to give you a reference, that is fully on the sear. So that motion right there, that last little bit on a short reset Gray Guns kit and a P30 is the only tidbit where the firing pin block becomes deactivated. It's at the very, very rear of trigger travel. Hope that helps.